This is video number 16 of the rock excavation exercise. We left off at step number 107, where we were at 106, where we just placed the cross sections. Now we're getting ready to open up the end area volume tool. So that tool is located on the same cross section toolbars. Fourth tool on the toolbar, it's the one with the ruler. End area volume. We'll select that. We will load the preferences right off the bat. We're going to click the preferences, load the mo.earthwork, and close the dialog. Okay, step number 109 says verify the current view is the current model. So we look at Route 179 and it is matching. This is a new file that we just created it, so it matches, goes to the default. The other thing we want to look at is make sure we have an existing ground. We also have our rock, our substratum, and we have our design. We also like to have our create XML report turned on for this. So it looks like it's filled out exactly like the dialog or the screenshot shows. Step 109. Step 110. In the classification section of the dialog, we're going to adjust factors with the given parameters from below. So we'll go to the classifications on the left side, select it, and you'll see there's your objects out here are all your components, and you have a couple surfaces. You have a rock surface and you have an existing ground surface. And when we do our earthwork, what we want to do is really change our cut multiplication factor on both the existing ground and the rock to 0.87. So you can just select the field, key in 0.87, hit the tab key, and we'll do it for both those surfaces. In step number 111, it says in the added quantity section of the dialog, add the following add volumes to account for the bridge ends. So we're going to go down to the added quantities again from station, or at station 75. So we'll change our stationing 75 and match it with 75. So at this station we're going to do a fill type, and the volume that we're going to give it is 8351. And we'll add that in. Then the other added quantity is at station 81. So we'll go to 81 for both the start and stop. It's also a fill. That value is 5692. So we're going to add that in. And that added quantities section is completed. After that's done, all we really need to do now is go down to the apply button and run our earthwork. And since we had the create XML report, it's going to process, it's going to create a report. We're going to go to the default one, which is this end area volume report, and you can scroll down and see the information that we have. The one that I like a lot is this volumes at the bottom. If I click that, then I can go station to station and see what I have. You got your rock, base, you got your rock surface quantities, and you can scroll down through each section. And again, with this, you can right click and do send to or export to Microsoft Excel and use this data however you want. I'm going to go ahead and close this report and move this dialog out of the way, and you can see that we have some calculations going on here. I will have to look and see why this didn't calculate through here. That's an issue. Looks like it's not picking that up. Might be a tolerance issue or whatnot, but I have to go back and fix that. And that concludes video 16.